Welcome back to T-View, your destination for the most fascinating discoveries on our planet. Have you ever wondered which animals live the longest on Earth? Some creatures survive for centuries. Some outlive entire human civilizations. And one animal on this list may actually escape aging altogether. Today, we're counting down the top 5 longest living animals in the world. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the end. Because number 1 might completely change the way you think about life itself. Let's begin the countdown. Number 5. Our journey begins on the remote volcanic islands of the Pacific Ocean. Meet the Galápagos giant tortoise, one of the longest living land animals on Earth. Where they live. These massive tortoises are found mainly on the Galápagos Islands, located near Ecuador in South America. Galápagos tortoises are slow-moving herbivores with enormous domed shells. Some can weigh over 400 kilograms and grow more than 1.5 meters long. Interesting facts. They have extremely slow metabolisms, which helps them live longer. They can survive months without food or water. Galápagos giant tortoises commonly live 100 to 150 years, and some have exceeded 180 years. Their slow and steady lifestyle may be the secret to their extraordinary longevity. Number 4 brings. Meet one of the ocean's most extraordinary giants, the Bowhead Whale. Known scientifically as Balena mysticetus. Its name comes from its massive bow-shaped skull, built to break through frozen sea ice. Bowheads have the largest mouth of any animal, representing almost 1/3 of the length of the body, the longest baleen plates with a maximum length of 4 meters, 13 feet, and may be the longest-lived mammals. Bowhead whales spend their entire lives amid seasonal sea ice, between about 60 degrees and 75 degrees north latitude, often beneath or at the edge of the ice. Their world stretches across both the Arctic, Atlantic, and Pacific sides, where their thick layer of blubber, sometimes over 1.5 feet thick, keeps them insulated from frigid temperatures. Though often grouped with the right whales in older literature, the bowhead is distinct and is recognized as a separate species today. While there are no varieties of bowheads per se, 5 population stocks exist, some endangered, others vulnerable. Ready for some surprising insights? First, bowheads are incredibly vocal. They're nicknamed the jazz singers of the sea. Second, bowheads have been found with harpoon fragments in their flesh, some dating back over 100 years, hinting at lifespans reaching or exceeding 200 years. Scientists attribute this astounding lifespan to genetic feats, mutations that enhance DNA repair, resist cancer, and slow aging. Bowhead whales may be the longest-lived mammals on our planet. Evidence points to individuals reaching ages well over 200 years. One confirmed specimen was estimated at 211 years old at its time of death. Researchers at CSIRO, Australia's national science agency, estimated that bowhead whales' maximum natural lifespan is 268 years based on genetic analysis. These ancient marvels glide beneath the ice, masters of endurance, bearing silent witness to centuries of Arctic change. As climate change reshapes their icy realm, understanding and protecting these resilient whales becomes more vital than ever. Number 3. Deep beneath icy northern waters lives one of the oldest vertebrates known to science. Meet the mysterious Greenland shark. They are found in the North Atlantic Ocean and Arctic waters, often at extreme depths. Greenland sharks are slow-moving predators that can grow up to 7 meters long. Interesting facts. They grow only about 1 centimeter per year, Some do not reach sexual maturity until they are 150 years old. Scientists estimate age using radiocarbon dating of their eye tissues. These sharks are believed to live 250 to 400 years. Number 2. Welcome to the hidden world beneath the sea. Today, we dive into the life of one of the ocean's most remarkable survivors, the ocean quahog clam, Arctica islandica. This unassuming bivalve, with its rugged exterior and quiet daily rhythm, carries centuries of secrets beneath its shell. Let's uncover what makes this clam a true ocean legend. Ocean quahogs dwell quietly in the cold, sandy, or muddy depths of the North Atlantic Ocean, spanning from as far south as Cape Hatteras, North Carolina, up to Iceland, Labrador, the White Sea, and beyond. You can find them from about 25 feet, 8 meters, to depths of over 1,300 feet, 400 meters. Though they generally favor cooler waters, rarely exceeding 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Buried in the seabed, they use their siphons to filter life, plankton, and organic particles from the passing water. Here's where it gets fascinating. The ocean quahog is like a living time capsule. Its shell grows in annual rings, just like a tree, preserving a record of ocean conditions and environmental history over centuries. In fact, these clams help scientists unravel centuries of marine climate data. But the truly astounding fact is their lifespan. Some individuals live for centuries, with many reaching well over 200 years in US waters. Yet even more remarkable, one ocean quahog nicknamed Ming was determined to be 507 years old when discovered off the coast of Iceland, making it the longest-lived non-colonial animal ever documented. This species exhibits negligible senescence, meaning it shows almost no signs of aging even as it approaches half a millennium. Next time you hear about the ocean quahog, remember it's more than just a clam. It's a keeper of time, a marvel of marine life, and a silent witness to our changing world. Number 1. This tiny creature may be one of the most extraordinary life forms on Earth. Meet the immortal jellyfish, scientifically known as Tortoise dornii. Where they live. Originally discovered in the Mediterranean Sea, they are now found in oceans around the world.
The immortal jellyfish is incredibly small, only about 4 to 5 millimeters in size, roughly the size of your little fingernail. But don't let its tiny body fool you. This creature holds one of the most astonishing abilities in the natural world. Unlike most living beings, the immortal jellyfish doesn't simply age and die. What if I told you there's a jellyfish that can escape death? When this jellyfish gets injured, starves, or faces stress, its body slowly begins to shrink. Then something unbelievable happens. It turns into a tiny blob of cells, like a cell ball. Inside that blob, its adult cells reset and transform back into young cells. This process is called transdifferentiation. Then it attaches to the ocean floor and becomes a polyp again. From that polyp, a brand new jellyfish is born. So instead of dying, it simply restarts its life cycle. In a way, it can restart its life again and again. Small in size, yet extraordinary in nature, the immortal jellyfish is truly one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth.
From ancient tortoises walking through centuries, to whales swimming across generations, to sharks older than modern nations, and finally, to a jellyfish that may never truly age. Nature continues to surprise and inspire us. If you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 longest living animals in the world, make sure to like this video, comment which animal amazed you the most, and subscribe to T-View for more incredible discoveries from around the world. This is T-View, where curiosity meets the wonders of nature. See you in the next video.